Jem and Gail in Happy World. Welcome! Toys! Wow! Hey! We will go to shopping.
Wow!
Lagay mo sa basket. Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yan? Hey, Mina! Mina yan, kunin mo. Bilis! Wow, balls! Color purple, red, green, and blue, and pink. Wow! Hey! Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo ito? Ano? Folder. Oh. Lakad na. Come na, come. Come. Let's go. Well, no. Huh? Bottles? Oh, no. Wait. For you. What? Hey, what will you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
O, sige, lagay mo na doon. Let's go na. I-pay na natin. Let's pay it. Go there. A-M-M-A. Say hello. Hello. Ganun na. Dad.
Oh, gusto mo yan.
Okay, gusto mo nito. O, sige, lagay mo doon. Lagay mo. What will you say? Pay mo na, pay. Hello! Jem and Gail in? Wow! Yan ba yung sinabing mo sa DIY? DIY!
Wow!
For Mommy? Okay, this for AA. Kay AA ito. This umbrella kay AA. Ito kay MM. This one kay AA. This kay MM. Ito kay Mommy. This, ang cute. Shopping. Kanino to? MM. Itong ball. Yellow ball. Kay MM. Ito. Pink ball. Kay AA. And this is like, wow, color. Color ano to? Purple. Okay, this horse color. This beads. Yay! Travel bottle set.
Open natin.
And your umbrella. At no? Open agad yan? Eh, didikit yan eh. Okay. Ayos natin. Upo kayo. Wow, purple. Slime. Bawal kainin yan, ha? And and slime. Dito muna kanilay. Oh, huwag mo ididikit sa short mo. Huwag mo ididikit na. Wow, slime. Slime. Ah, wait. Wow, slime. Lagay mo dyan din. Lagay mo. Wow! Next. Next. Okay, this one. Lagay mo yan. Wow! Then,
Hindi blow ng gulam. Blow.
blow. Okay, haluin mo. Okay. Wow. Slime. Baby, where's your glass? Wow. Sticky. Sticky hands. Purple plus white and yellow bits. Sticky. And put that here, ah. Lagay mo dito. Tapos lalagay natin sa ibabaw yung uniform. Okay?
Wow.
Wow!
Teacher Mom.
Tapos lagay mo dun sa lagay. Wow! Sticky! Class A! Wow! Our sunglass! Hey! Hey! Hello! Okay?
There's a sun.
Are you done?
Diba?
Okay, lagay mo dito. Lahat. Anak, lagay mo dito. Bilis. Yippee! We hit the target! Yellow ball, blue ball, and green ball. Okay, we need to hit the target again. Oops, very good. Next. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Okay, next. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good.